Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media. Kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị miss any of our updates dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'iru akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister MAZI Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'iru akwụkwọ mma achọkwu nke unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'iru akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
Obi akọfụna na fon na asị na Tinubu mere ga arrest ndị be anyị nọ onye ọrụ nọ na panik o.
Tinubu na-eme ma arrest nke o ji bụ oge.
Ndo
amachi aja ka m gwele ọkpọ dokacha ya eze.
Obi ihe ọmpụta anyị pụtara atọ ka maka ndị be anyị tension tukwu Chineke nna BP emekwa ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ.
All right, thank you very much, everyone.
Mo, Ekpa was live yesterday, like he did a live streaming yesterday. Jesus, you see, wait, I tell you people, remain calm, remain focused, don't lose focus. I'm saying this boldly because I have learned and I've understood some things and some laws that, you know, is guiding this. In Nigerian Constitution, it has it there that everyone has the right for self-determination. It is not a crime. In chapter 20, I said this in my previous video, in chapter 20 of African Charter of Human Rights, it is stated there that all men or every person has the right for self-determination. It is not a crime. It is not a crime. So when a call for Biafran referendum or anything is called, it is not a crime. These people are just requesting to, you know, determine their fate, whether they want to be part of this or they don't want to be. So I tell you, Biafrans, remain focused, remain resolute, remain resolute. With or without Ekpa, believe in me. I tell you this also in my previous video, or yes, in my previous video. I told you that, see, arrest is part of it. Insult is part of the struggle. What is it called again? Betrayal is part of the struggle. Yes, betrayal. People will betray you. People you love is part of the struggle. Go and ask our able leader, Ojuku. Go and ask him. Ask our able leader, MAZI. Betrayal is part of it. Arrest is part of it. Insult is part of it. There are a lot of tribulations you go through, but yet, once you are focused, you get what you are looking for. So I tell you, Biafrans, be focused. Be focused. What you are asking for is not a crime. And I will use this medium to also tell people who think that Biafra is war. Biafra is, you know, is a place of war or is a place of enmity. Believe in me, my dear brothers, Biafra is not a place of war. I keep telling you that Biafrans are peaceful. Biafrans are lovely people. And Biafran land is a land of peace. I beat my chest and tell you that. Biafra is a safe place. Biafrans are peaceful people. I'm telling you with all conviction in me. Forget the issues and the katakatas you are seeing. It is because of one or two things that have gone wrong that place. I'm telling you. So there's no need for hatred. There's no need for insult. There's no need for bring him, let us kill him. There's no need for that. There's no need for that. You see, I'm telling people that what is the cause of all this? It is because of injustice we get in Nigeria. It is because of marginalization we get in Nigeria. It is because of disempowerment we got in Nigeria. It is because of, like, there are many words that you can use to qualify, you know, the bad lucks and everything we get from this nation. And so the quest for Biafran nation is not a crime. I'm saying this also for people, for probably agents or for, you know, haters that will be watching me, so that you get it right. I don't think I've said anything that contradicts Nigerian Constitution. Yes, it is a right. So please, I tell you to remain focused. Ekpa was on live streaming yesterday and you know it was a joyful thing for millions of Biafrans. All right, so please watch this, and as you're watching it, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. You know, just subscribe, turn on your notification button so you get notified, because on this channel I do not bring you only the news that is happening in Nigeria. I try as much as possible to bring you informations and educative informations, all the things you need to know, all the things you need to know about the constitution, about everything, so that you'll be able to stand your ground and beat your chest and say something and stand to it. All right, so please watch this video. He was live yesterday. He gave just a little broadcast. I was able to get that little clip of his, and then I will also show you some other videos to back it up. All right, so please stand your ground and know what you stand for. And you watching this video, make sure you're a peaceful person. Don't go about killing your people. Don't go about betraying your people. Don't go about doing all manner of, you know, criminal activities or committing all kind of crimes. Please be peaceful to the best you can be. Be peaceful. If you're a businessman, go to your business, do your business gently, and go home peacefully. If you are anything, you are, even if you're a first man, if you're a soldier, a policeman, make sure you do your thing rightfully. I'm saying it so that they hear me and get it clear. Do your things rightly. Do the things that are supposed to be done. But believe in me, you know that one that is the right thing to do. Do it. There's no cause for alarm. All right. So please watch this video.
All right, thank you very much, everyone. May God bless you all from here.
Thank you. Thank you, PM. Yes.
Thank you, everyone. I think we're going to end this Zoom.
Update concerning the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic, government in exile, Simon Ekpa, following recent developments in Finland. On Thursday, 21st, 2024, Finnish authorities detained Prime Minister Simon Ekpa in Lahti on allegations of public incitement to commit a crime with purported terrorist intent. However, according to a detailed report from MTV Uutiset, Crime Commissioner Otto Hiltunen, who is leading the investigation, clarified that the ongoing inquiry has revealed no reason to suspect any connections to terrorist organizations. This statement directly refutes attempts by the Nigerian government to label the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and the Biafra Republic government in exile as terrorist entities. It is essential to highlight that neither the European Union nor Finland has classified IPOB or the government in exile as terrorist organizations. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, a respected political leader and advocate for the self-determination of Biafrans, continues to lead the government in exile with a commitment to peaceful and legal efforts aimed at achieving independence for the Biafran people. Despite efforts to undermine his leadership, he remains a symbol of resilience and determination for millions of Biafrans around the world. The Nigerian government has historically accused IPOB of violence, but these claims remain unverified, particularly concerning the Prime Minister's role. Instead, the Biafra Republic government in exile has consistently emphasized its dedication to democratic principles, rule of law, and non-violent advocacy for freedom. This recent development highlights the challenges faced by self-determination movements and leaders advocating for justice and equality. The arrest of Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has drawn international attention, with supporters worldwide condemning the suppression of the Biafran cause and calling for transparency and justice. We encourage our viewers to verify this report through MTV Uutiset.
So what's your thought about this? It's really a joyful thing, all right? It's really a joyful thing, all right? So please drop your comment on the comment section. This is actually a joyful thing, and of course a bad news for enemies. All right, so please drop your comment on the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I bring you all the information you need to know about what is happening in and outside Nigeria. All right, thank you very much. God bless the Federal Republic of Biafra. Thank you. God bless you.
So much. It's so much Biafrans are so happy, so excited. There are so many hands up. So I know initially we planned just to take 3 hands, but at this point, with all the people that want to add their mind, if we can just take it. But everybody, please be mindful. Just one minute. We have over 10,000 watching this. In this Zoom alone, we're almost 395, almost 400. This is extraordinary. This shows you how Biafrans love our PM Simon Ekpa. Honorable Sonny, please go ahead. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we come to Nnamdi Anosike. Unmute yourself. And before Nnamdi goes on, please, the zoo terrorist Nigeria do not have a edge on our Prime Minister. Our Prime Minister is being interrogated by his own country government, not the zoo government. So the zoo government has no edge on him. If they had an edge on him, they would have had him in one Nigeria, like they kidnapped our leader. So no need for panic, no need for misunderstanding of the report. Nnamdi Anosike, over to you.
Very good evening to my honorable members, the zoo, especially our COS, Sagacious Woman. You have really made us proud. We are very, very grateful. What you have done to us, what you have done is indelible in our hearts. We are really great. So I don't have any question, just that I didn't know what to tell my people. You know, we've been every one of us, we've been like, you know, bizarre, running around and when we've not gotten any information. But for the fact now that COS has given us the light of what is really going on, I think we are now proud. I knew that this is what we really wanted. And when they said they invited our prime minister or they arrested him, well, it's not a new thing. This is what we had expected. So it's nothing to panic about, because now our prime minister, the zoo government, they are going to expose themselves to more. So I don't have anything. It's just an encouragement for every one of us to remain resolute. Nothing is done. For the final convention, we are coming there. Everything is done. I just throw my weight on our COS. But you know, I don't need to move. I use my mic for now. Thank you.
Thank you. We come to Omeze Emmanuel. Omeze Emmanuel, unmute yourself. Stick to your 1 minute, please.
Okay. Good evening, sirs.
There we
my name is Omeze Emmanuel. I'm really happy for this Zoom meeting this night, because throughout the day I've been moody about the news I had, but this encouraged me that nothing is gonna change the Biafra liberation on 2nd December. So I thank my CSO for the encouragement she gave. I'm really happy. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. We come to Gregory Obuju. Over to you.
Thank you, my Biafra families. I thank God so much for our information ministers. Thank God for all the team. Thank God for COS. I thank God for whatever information. But I believe that for them that love God, everything works for their good. So I only just want to use this opportunity to encourage our Biafrans that this is the time we have to come together more stronger, more family, and more prayerful in anything, because this is the time we started this, like we have entered pure into real freedom movement. Now, this is the time we enter it. So from stage to stage, the stage we are now, if we break through this stage, there is no going back. So I will encourage that all the cabinets to please be humble to each other and bring the family completely together as a family, for us to be more strong and overcome the Nigerian evil. Thank you, and that is my advice. God bless.
Thank you. We go to Emmanuel Aku. Emmanuel Aku, over to you. Emmanuel Aku, unmute yourself. Emmanuel Aku, you're not ready. Silvanus or Reaku? Honorable Silvanus or Reaku, over to you.
Silvanus. I'm Silvanus Bahiriak. Please, I thank everybody. This is the time we should wake up. And this is the time we're supposed to strong and back our PM. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Honorable in the House. This is one of the things. Yeah. Please, I thank you. This is the time.
Thank you, Honorable Silvanus. We go to Nelson Ifeanyi. Nelson Ifeanyi, over to you.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening.
There you go. Nelson, your connection is bad. We can't hear you. Emmanuel Aku Oko, unmute yourself. Nelson, your network is bad.
It's a very great opportunity to be here. But I just want to say something with this 1 minute and
Nelson, try again. Unmute yourself. Nelson, try again. Unmute yourself. While we wait for you, we go to...
Can you all hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now. Right on, please.
Okay, thank you very much. Please, I want to say something now. The tension is high, like the panic is too much. And there is
the
news
tension
recently.
is not high. The panic is not too much. The Prime Minister is alive. He is not kidnapped. He is healthy and happy. So keep your tension down.
Because
keep your
what
tension down. Keep your tension down. Listen to me. Keep your tension down. Don't carry your tension up. Because nothing has happened. Prime Minister is not dead. Prime Minister is not kidnapped. Prime Minister is not in Nigeria. Prime Minister is still in his country home, Finland. He is just to the authority for questioning, to present Biafra matters in the official way. That is why every report we said is that is on a national assignment. And we've come here to make it plain for all Biafrans to understand. So we don't want anyone to pick the mic and say continue panic. There is no panic. The Prime Minister is there for us. He's there to present Biafra. He's there to defend us. He's there to present the reason for the convention, the restoration that we are going to do on the 29th to the 3rd of December. That is the reason why he's there.
Okay.
And so cut the narrative from the Nsama that is telling you that there is panic. There is no panic. Tell everyone that the Prime Minister is fine and okay and is there for national assignments.
All right, thank you very much. And I want to commend our COS, Ngozi Orabweze, one of the persons that the DOS are afraid of, DOS Nigeria are afraid of. And I want to tell her that, please, I know that you are the engine room when it comes to war. Please, this time around, before they attacked us unexpectedly, and I believe that this time around, we are going to prepare and wait for them after the declaration, because I know what follows next is war. They must come, and they will definitely come. And I want us to be at alert, because last time they took us unaware, and this time around, we should wait for them before they come. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Please, when you finish speak, just mute yourself honorably. We come to Onyema. Onyema, unmute yourself.
I just have a very simple question. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, we can hear you.
My question is, why do you guys continue to deceive yourselves? Simon Ekpa has just denied that he's the Prime Minister, and then you still gather yourselves.
And that is why you have to fuck off here, because we don't have time for miscreants. So you just take a leave. Please, honorable COS, please remove Onyema here, please. We don't have time for miscreants. Emmanuel Charles, unmute yourself. Emmanuel Charles, unmute yourself.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening,
There
everybody. Yes. Here I'm manager now.
Could you speak English so that
Okay,
everyone can understand you?
Okay. Good evening, everybody. I'm Emmanuel Charles. I know that Chuko Kabiama is with us. Now, my simple question I'm asking is that is it not any way the email address or any contact address of the Finnish local authority can be released so that people can bombard them with messages, write to them, send them emails so that they know that our prime minister is fighting a just cause. At least I believe when 1 or 2, 3 million Biafrans will bombard them with messages, emails, they will really know that whom they are holding there or whom they called for questioning is very, 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 very important to a certain group of people who has been intimidated for all this while. So that's my question. So if there is a means the numbers or email can be released to us in all our platforms, then we start sending messages and emails across to Finnish local authorities. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We will release those information so that everyone can have their hands on it. We go to Nedum. Nedum, unmute yourself, please. Nedum is not ready. Biafra boy, unmute yourself. Biafra boy, unmute yourself. Biafra boy, over to you.
Good evening, Biafrans. Greetings, greetings, COS. I greet you all. And please, Mr. Sani, please, I need that information of the local that arrested our PA, please. That's all, sir.
Thank you. Please, if you know your question has already been asked, you don't need to bring it up again. We go to the next person and we've answered that we will release that information. TechnoSpark 4. Over to you, TechnoSpark 4. TechnoSpark 4, over to you. TechnoSpark 4. You're not ready. Worry sister, over to you. Worry sister, over to you. Worry sister, over to you.
Thank you. I don't know if you can hear me. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Good evening, my minister Akparawa. Good evening, my honorable COS. Thank God. Now we can breathe. We can breathe. They can never put their legs on our neck. We will fight them, and we must breathe. We must breathe. Please, we only need the address of where to write to, so that the whole of Biafra will bombard them. Let them know that our PM is fighting for us and he's not fighting for himself. He said it's him. They don't look for him, they look for us and not him. So now is the time for us to show that indeed they are not looking for our PM, but it's us. So that is us, we have to write, we have to test, we have to call, whatever we can do. If that kid, the idiot, the lunatic can say, oh, I've written to Philip Embassy. We, the children of Biafra, we too, we can write to the embassy to tell them that our PM is fighting for us, only us that is fighting for.
And by Ekenekwe Mono, Kunsinesela na Igbo media, boy by si wotero na yabo osi di okempa. Masta maka ya brief Biafran Prime Minister kwuru di akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị wuru chinketa. Ekefi were ikwu masta maka ya brief ndị a niile okwu gasị dị iche iche. Dropọra ife iche n'elu akwụkwọ na comment section na Igbo media. Ndị by asị na n'Igbo ya adị. na ya dịka echi ada agwụ ọgwụ. Ise. Thank you.